If you are interested about the bus VT panel, how the bus VT panel metering and protection and input output signals are being considered, then you can check out this video, otherwise you can skip this part. Okay, today I will discuss about the bus VT module. So this is bus VT module for 11 kV switchgear. So this is 11 kV bus, or for 6.6 kV bus also this will be same. Here you can see one VT is connected with the 11 kV bus, and this is withdrawable type fuse connection in the primary side, and secondary side there are two windings. One is for the metering purpose and another one is for the protection purpose. So for the metering purpose VT, you can see the signal is going and connected with the MFM. This is multifunction meter. This is multifunction meter. Here 4 to 20 milliampere DC signal is available for remote interface, and also the Modbus connection. Modbus RS485 protocol is also available for DCS connectivity, and this is basically digital multifunction meter. Okay, and also this VT signal is going towards the synchrocheck relay circuit. So this is towards synchronizing circuit for bus transfer scheme. So there is a VT panel auto bus transfer scheme. So as you know, before auto bus changeover or the auto bus transfer, that voltage magnitude, phase angle, all these things need to be checked. So this before synchronization, okay, before closing the breaker. So for this purpose VT signal is required. This voltage signal is required, and this signal is coming from this bus VT. So this is going towards synchrocheck circuit, and also tapping is available from here. Multifunction meters of outgoing feeders. From here this VT signal is available. So this is for the metering purpose, and metering purpose along with the synchrocheck circuit. Now the second winding is for, this is 110 volt by √3, and this accuracy, this protection VT secondary side, this accuracy class is 3P, and for metering this is 0.5. So for this protection part, here LED indication lamps are available for RYB 3-phase. Okay, and this is connected with the numerical multifunction voltage relay. And what are the functions, protective functions here? This is 27/2 under voltage. There are two steps for the under voltage. We need to check the under voltage if the bus voltage is less than 20% with time delay unit. By 2 means time delay, and also 27/2 under voltage less than 80% with time delay unit. So there are two steps to check the bus voltage. Once this depends based on the scheme, whether it will be dead bus changeover or the automatic bus transfer. So based on that, we need to check the bus voltage. If it is less than 10%, then this element will pick up, and if it is less than 80%, if the bus voltage is less than 80%, then this element will pick up after certain time delay. So this time delay can be set as per the requirement, as per the coordination setting. And also VT fuse failure, this function is also available in this numerical multifunction protective relay. So this is the typical bus VT panel. There will be one dedicated bus VT module just beside the incomer panel. just beside the incomer vertical panel there will be one dedicated bus VT panel, almost same size. That means panel width, height, depth all are same as the incomer, that is the incoming panels. So inside the bus VT panel these will be located.